Imagine waking up every morning knowing that a job paying $3,000 per month is no longer done by a human. It's done by an AI tool, running 24/7, never asking for a break, never getting sick, and never demanding a raise. Sounds crazy? But this is already happening across the United States right now. In this video, I'm going to expose the exact AI tools that are replacing 3,000 a month jobs, the roles being wiped out, and more importantly, how smart Americans are flipping this threat into a massive AI side hustle opportunity. So if you're a freelancer, student, employee, or someone tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this video could literally change how you make money forever. Let's be very clear from the start. This is not hype and this is not the future. This is happening right now in 2026. Companies in the US are quietly replacing customer support agents, content writers, video editors, virtual assistants, social media managers, and even junior marketers with AI tools that cost less than $100 per month. A role that used to require a full-time employee making $3,000 a month can now be handled by one AI setup and one smart operator. And here's the crazy part. Most people losing these jobs don't even realize what replaced them. Let's talk about the first category where AI is absolutely destroying traditional jobs: customer support. In the US, customer support agents earn anywhere between $18 to $25 per hour. That's easily $3,000 a month. But tools like AI chatbots, voice AI assistants, and automated help desk systems are now handling 80 to 90% of customer queries without human involvement. These AI tools can respond instantly, speak fluent American English, handle angry customers, process refunds, book appointments, and even upsell products. Businesses love this because one AI replaces an entire team, and customers love it because there's no waiting time. Now here's where it gets interesting for you. Smart people are not fighting AI. They're selling AI services. Instead of applying for customer support jobs, they're offering AI chatbot setup services to US businesses. Local gyms, dentists, real estate agents, e-commerce stores, and law firms are paying $500 to $3,000 just to have an AI assistant installed on their website. Monthly maintenance fees alone can replace a full-time salary. This is exactly how AI replaces a $3,000 job and creates a $5,000 side hustle. The second job getting wiped out fast is content writing and copywriting. Businesses used to pay writers $2,000 to $4,000 per month to write blogs, emails, product descriptions, and ads. Today, AI writing tools can generate high-quality content in seconds. Blogs, sales pages, SEO articles, ad copy, done instantly. Companies no longer care if a human writes every word. They care about speed, consistency, and results. That's why many US companies now run entire content departments with AI. But again, winners think differently. Instead of competing with AI, people are becoming AI content agencies. One person plus AI can manage content for 10 to 20 businesses at the same time. Next comes video editing and short-form content creation, one of the fastest-growing AI takeovers in the US. Traditional video editors charge $2,500 to $4,000 monthly. But AI tools now automatically cut videos, add subtitles, generate B-roll, apply effects, resize content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even suggest viral hooks. Businesses no longer need a full-time editor. They need speed and volume. This has created a goldmine. Americans are launching AI short-form content agencies, targeting real estate agents, coaches, fitness brands, and local businesses. One AI-powered system can produce 30 to 60 videos per month per client. Charge $500 per client, get 6 clients, and you're already above a $3,000 monthly income. Same AI that replaced a job is now printing money for the operator. Another $3,000 a month role under serious threat is virtual assistants. Scheduling emails, managing calendars, replying to messages, updating spreadsheets. These tasks are now handled by AI automation tools. Businesses are cutting VAs and replacing them with AI workflows that run silently in the background. No salary, no complaints, no downtime. But once again, Opportunity follows disruption. People are now selling AI automation services. They build custom AI systems for U.S. businesses that automate tasks like email follow-ups, CRM updates, lead qualification, appointment booking, and reporting. Businesses happily pay monthly retainers for this. One automation client can bring $500 to $1,500 per month. Just 2 or 3 clients can replace a full-time income. Now let's address the biggest fear people have. If AI replaces jobs, what happens to me? The truth is simple. AI doesn't replace people. AI replaces people who don't use AI. Every major shift in history destroyed old jobs and created new ones. The internet did it, social media did it. Now AI is doing it on a much faster scale. The winners are the ones who move early. Here's the exact mindset shift you need. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a problem solver. Businesses in the US don't want employees anymore. They want results. If an AI tool can deliver those results cheaper and faster, they'll choose AI every time. Your role is to become the person who understands AI and sells those results. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need a degree. You don't need years of experience. You need basic AI knowledge, internet access, and the ability to talk to businesses. That's it. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the opportunity has never been bigger. If you're watching this and thinking, this feels overwhelming, let me simplify it. Pick one AI skill, just one. AI chatbots, AI content creation, AI video editing, AI automation. Learn it deeply for 30 days, then offer it to U.S. businesses. That's how side hustles are born. That's how 3,000 a month jobs get replaced by people like you. And here's the brutal truth. This wave will not wait. Companies are not announcing layoffs loudly. They're quietly switching systems. The people who act in the next 6 to 12 months will build leverage. The ones who delay will compete for fewer and fewer traditional jobs. This channel, AI Hustle USA, exists for one reason: to help you stay ahead of the curve, not behind it. Every video here is designed to turn confusion into clarity and fear into income. If you want tutorials, step-by-step guides, real AI side hustle ideas, and strategies tailored for the US market, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the question is no longer, will AI replace a 3,000 a month job? The real question is, will that job be replaced by AI or by you using AI?